I think youth tend to be caught and excited to hear stories. And I got that sense from some of the things that you spoke about this afternoon, that storytelling, it's the way that Jesus went about teaching, and it's a way a lot of ministers tend to do that as well. And I think there can be a tendency for some ministers to share stories about themselves as a way to connect. Well, gosh, when I was a teenager, ... kind of thing. Can you speak about the benefits of personal storytelling and perhaps also the cautions that a minister should bear in mind around appropriate self-disclosure?
Yes, I think that's a really important topic. I think, especially in working with youth, it's important to be authentic with them and to be honest and to share some personal stories. And if, as a youth worker, you can remember what it was like to be young, that can help inform your ability, to connect. At the same time, on the other hand, it is possible to overshare, right, with youth. And we need to be a little bit cautious about, say, recalling stories when you got drunk with your friends or, just trying to kind of impress them or acting like you're really cool. There are some stories they might not need to hear right now. It's more important to listen than to speak. That's something Dietrich Bonhoeffer said. Ministers think their only service is to speak and to teach, but the greater service is really to listen. So I think it's important to share a little bit about oneself, but to remember that, your purpose in getting together is really to support the youth and help them reflect on their own stories.
Thanks.